Just like that, our front pickup fuel cell is a center pickup fuel cell. So this is the same fuel line that's been in here for a little over 10 years now. So we're gonna go ahead and replace it, just in case. I think we need to say a few words in honor of the Holley Blue electric fuel pump.
Yes, that has been a damn good song.
All right, so originally, fuel line came through a bulkhead right here, ran to filter right here, ran to pump right here, and then ran down the frame rail and up to the engine. So our new 10 micron fuel injection compatible filter, figure out a place to stash this. So sometimes it's not worth changing things. This was where our original pickup came out, and after evaluating the options of trying to bring the hoses off the side, it's just gonna stay right there, and added another bulkhead for our return, so that'll, both of these will run up in parallel. We'll mount the fuel filter up in the same position as the original one was, run the return line right along with it up the frame rail. Let's put that back where it belongs.